November 30th, 1996. We're celebrating Thanksgiving at my apartment. Christy just brought some jewelry over and we had a little bit of an accident with one of the necklaces.
Brianna broke it.
We'll fix it though. It's okay.
It's okay. Let's put it back in there. Put it in there. There you go. There you go.
Brianna has been a very good girl, haven't you, Brianna? Can you, Brianna, can you sing the Winnie the Pooh song for me?
Oh, who's here?
Oh, who's here?
Oh, it's Daddy!
Oh,
Look, it's
boy.
Daddy.
Hello.
It's Daddy!
It's Daddy. Hi, Rob.
Hello.
Happy Thanksgiving. We're having messy chicken, Rob.
What you doing, Bree? Are you making a messies?
Necklace. Broken necklace.
Oh.
Broken. Christy fixed. It's okay.
Look at all that stuff. Put some more panties over
Pick it up. Put it in there.
Oh, good. We just changed another one. Come on in.
I bought you a gift, Cheryl.
Oh, really? Oh, I suppose I should turn this off. Let's have her